State asida agriculture amadi horticulture ge pothok kaya puthoklabasu state asida infrastructure ge awat palaiba amadi pothok sing asi ningthina packaging tawbangamdabana maram oiraga laumi singda kanaba piba ngamdri haina Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation ge Secretary cum Commissioner T Pamei na phongdokre. Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority APEDA Foundation for Innovative Packaging and Sustainability FIPS Mumbai amade Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Government of Manipur na sinduna innovation packaging for export of ginger, turmeric, large cardamom and bamboo shoot pickles ki capacity building program haudokpagi thauramda wafam asi phongdokhibane Sanjen thongda laiba Agriculture Department ge Farmers Training Hall da pangthokpa thauram aduda Haudokpaga Mari Lainana Pamei na Makhatana Agriculture amadi Horticulture ge pothok kaya mangliba ase mangdana balengak na thabak thoram kaya paikhatli masigi manung chana pangthokpa capacity building program asina laumi singda natana state asigi senmitlon fagathan bada chauna mateng oiragani haikhe state asigi oina yamna nungaiba pau amani haina commissioner asina thamladuna Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi mitheng makhada haudokhiba National Makhana Board Haudokhiba Asiga Iroinana State Asida Makhana Thangjing Yokhatnaba Amade Laumi Singbo Support Taubage Maruoiba Daita Launaba Horticulture and Horticulture Department Po Nodal Department Oina Khalakle Scheme Asigi Makhada Thangjing Thaba Laumi Singbu Promote Taubaga Loinana Lamda Masige Mangsilakliba Wetland Kannabagi Tanja ama lahorasi haina phongdoke capacity building program hogdokpagi thawramaduda FIPS ki chairman Professor NC Saha APEDA NER amadi Ladakh ki regional head Sandip Saha yauna state asigi masak nairaba scientist amadi expert kayana sarukyakhe
Honorable Prime Minister on the 15th of September known as it's under the Central Sector Scheme, known as the National Makhana Scheme. Makhana is Thangjing. Now, for Manipur, with the availability of wetlands, this has become a very important sector. And I'm very glad to inform you that Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare have selected the Department of Horticulture as the northern department to implement this new scheme. I hope this new scheme will really promote the preservation and protection of our wetlands as well as bring about economic benefits to our farmers in the state.
Thauramadu da sarukya kiba state asida post harvest da mangliba pothok sing ase ningthina laksin mangamlabadi lamda masigi laumi singi da natana state asigi senmitlon da chauna kanaba oigani haina Horticulture and Soil Conservation Director K Devadatta Sarma na phongdokhe Director asina makha taraduna state asi makhal makha kayagi sa uchek manamasing Mahai marong loinana horticulture crop marang kaina fangbal lamdama mane state asige kihom metric ton lakh amagi mathakta lafoi metric ton lakh amaga lising kun mathoi hena passion fruit metric ton lising taranipan hena kiwi metric ton lising aniga chamnga haikha amadi chumrai metric ton chaniga nifutaret puthokle masigi mathakta sing metric ton lising Humfutara Nipan Hena Yangang metric ton lising Yankai Umorok metric ton lising Tarukrom Puthokle Potlam Singa Sigi Manungda Kihom Haika Chumrai King Chili Asi Yamna Tuna Pathabana Laumi Singda Yamna Chauna Ninghanaba Ama Oide Fibamasida Professor NC Sahagi Mithing Makada Laumi Entrepreneur Amadi Farmer Producer Company Singna Innovative Packaging Oiba Wakalol Kaya Fangduna Senmitlon da Kanaba Fangba Oira Sanu Haike
Karam material na karam food products si karam mong na pek tong taragadi masi shelf life karakui na tambayani nutritional value handadana taste handadana texture handadana color handadana masi kamay na shelf life si sangduan ba yagani haibase masi matang si daista kupna masi deliberation sing je laigani lairiba ekoi ge entrepreneur sing yamna free oina hangning ba hangaga expert sing se makoi gi akhang ba gai lotho oraga akoi gi lamdam si ki kanaba tung koina food sectors this da koina ngasi 40% losses chatliba 25% loss hoiriba si mayam singse kan mangamaga masibu economic growth ta transform torga state ki afaba oyak pa purak pa yanabagi damakta mayamna masi pukning changna tabiyo